So the ingredients for the spring granola recipe are a selection of fruit. I've got strawberries, berries, I love pomegranate, so I'm going to add some pomegranate, an apple, a pear, or you may wish to add a banana or fruit of your choice. I have some date syrup here, which has just been freshly made, and that's just dates plus water mashed together. And on the tray, ready to go into the oven, I have a selection of grains. Here's quinoa flakes, rice flakes, and oat flakes. I've got coconut, walnuts, a selection of nuts and seeds. That's pumpkin, sunflower, linseed, and sesame seed, and some flaked almonds. I'm also going to be adding some yogurt. You can use the yogurt of your choice, dairy-free or dairy. I've also got cinnamon and some cacao. Now, for those people who are diabetic, you may wish to use the xylitol, which is a pretty good alternative, or there is also the choice of using pure maple syrup or sugar. And that's it. Let's get on with combining these ingredients.